Okay, I highly recommend that you take the National Botanical Tropical Garden Tour. Absolutely the most beautiful grounds I've ever been on. And a good portion of it is driving in the bus with incredible views and spectacular specimens of the fruits of Hawaii right next to the roadside.
Trust me, today is the day we're gonna need this. Today we have some liquid sunshine and the sun, and that is a recipe for mosquitoes.
Oh,
When they come for you, you
mosquitoes.
grab your tea leaf, go like this. Keep on them, that way you can just put them right on the kind. Then it's more pliable so you can put them.
For fevers, the tea leaf.
So really good stuff, guys. If you
Or
guys
for
like
steaming
trade
pork.
rodents, this is one of the plants that the nursery certified. So if you go ABC stores or you go Hilo Hattie's certified plants, they're all packaged and stamped, and you can take it on the plane with you guys. Like that. Tell us real good. You guys see all the little green balls up there? Inside of that green balls, you'll find these nuts. You might have a lay made from this. Oh, it's the kukui nut. Yeah. Hang them up on bamboo skewers and light them up. And those are candles. Each one burn for like 10 minutes. Blah, blah. Yeah, you like one? I get a couple. This one, you know, can eat this one, but this is the one for make lid. Yeah, I get a couple more. You like? Okay, good. The only thing about it, if you eat too much raw nut, it has a medicinal quality. It'll blow you right out. Still not quite developed. It's more watery, but I like the taste better when it's fresh. Like that, yeah. But we're gonna hit try.
Look at this incredible banyan tree. Wow, it's not native to Hawaii. The Chinese have brought it over. But boy, is it happy here.
And they poop it out all over. The banyan tree will start growing on a host, and their roots will come down, and when they hit the ground, they turn hard into trunks like that. And over the years, that banyan will actually choke out and kill that whole tree. You feel it how strong? That's what it's doing right here. This is a choke plum tree. This is a completely different tree right here in the middle. So that's why they're also considered invasive right here. But there's banyans everywhere. Right? Parts of the world, like there's one in the Philippines. They call it a millennium tree. It's like over 600 years old. The middle is all hollow, so you can climb up the middle. Yeah.
So the banyan tree is a host tree. It dropped a seed, the bird dropped a seed up at the top, and then it grew around the tree. And this is like a plum tree or some kind of a different tree. But eventually, they call them choke trees because eventually it'll kill the tree inside, and then they can become hollow on the inside.
Go head up this way, guys. We got a really nice.
Oh my gosh, here we go into the waterfall.
From the flood. You guys want to get pictures?
What's this one called?
It's the White Lily Waterfall. You guys want to get pictures together?
Amazing. There's been so much rain here that the waterfall is running brown due to all the dirt that it's picking up along its coursing path. Oh my goodness, it's got so much power coming in. Remarkable.
Inside that water, you got frogs, prawns, opus, and even turtles. Back in the plantation, the Chinese brought turtles. There's turtles all throughout this stream right here. That's like really cool. Also the mango tree right up above us. Mango, you got the pothos roots coming down. And then you look against the back wall. All their roots is all banyan roots coming down the rock. This is where all the water coming down from. That's why when it flash floods, people's garages get swept down here. But sometimes they'll slip, broke a leg, and Yeah, that's why right now, like that beach right now is filthy. I would not go down in that water right now. But there's another canoe plant right there too. That wall right there, that's a wild hibiscus. They call it a halbut. The Polynesians made their rope from the bark of that. And you guys notice the orange flowers in the water? Go by the streams, you see all orange flowers? It's all coming from the halbut. The fibers separate. And then that's when you start weaving them into the rope like that.
Wow. All right, so there's long tentacles, kind of like the banyan, but those are actually the branches, the thinness.
Yeah. Bad.
So banyan roots would not be good for making rope from because they're full of a lot of sap. But the halal is good because the branches grow long and skinny, so they would just cut long branches and strip them for their ropes, soak them in water, dry them out, and then they would make their ropes out of the halal.